Lovebox. So Lovebox is a love messenger that you can send. You can send your loved ones through the app that links to the box. Like whenever you receive information, the spinning will just start spinning. So the people on the receiving end will know that there is a new message, and he or she will just lift the lid and see the messages inside. So that would be great for someone who has elderly or kids at home who either don't have a phone or don't know the phone well, and they can simply just lift the lid and the message is just in there. And also they can respond to you by manually spinning the wheel, and you'll receive a heart emoji on your phone through the app. And it's also good for someone who's in a long distance relationship. So you can save all your sweet messages in the one place instead of lost in shuffle in the text message or something. So yeah, basically just a box for all your loved ones.